read your mind. Pick one for 1 minute.
May mga naisip na rin ako na mga pwede kong gamitin na sword para makapag-apat,
What happened?
pang-5, ang for sharp, pang-6, pwede ako mag-push it. So, either doon sa mga yon,
Oh, this is actually large one, small one.
Sa mga video ko. So, I'll make it.
Why again?
Disappointment, big monger, disappointment. May isa pa ba? Huwag naman sana. So please.
What again?
Ilay ko muna tong video na to dahil ito na yung pang-5 ko. Kapag binalas pa rin ako dito, mag-spin muna tayo ng flow para malasin tayo lalo. At para isa-search ko rin kung pa makukuha dito mismo. No? Kasi alam ko, ilang beses ko na nakuha to. Wala pa naman akong 2 times block chat.
Oh, what is he doing? Let me take the Okay, pick again. There's 5 seconds of 6. 3, 2, 1. Aww, it's sad. Forget about you. I have 3 picks. Okay? Alright. I have 3 picks at each one. This one, this one, and this one. And this one, and this one, and this one. Type comment if I'm correct. Okay, we just done. Bye. Oh, what is this? After again.